Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This will be a little bit of a different video because I will not share a whole process video. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm a part of Trinity Stamps YouTube design team. And that means that I every Friday will be uploading a video to their YouTube channel. And today is the very first time I'm doing that. And I used this stamp set called Hopeful Flowers, and I really like this stamp set. This is one of the smaller stamp sets, and that means that it has a lower and better price point. That is something I really like. I created two cards, as I said, and one of them are this one that I'm sharing on screen here, and I really like how this turned out. The second one is a little bit easier, and I really like that too. If you want to see the whole process video of how I created these cards, you can head on over to their YouTube channel. I will have a link down below for you. And also, you can check out their Instagram and their YouTube channel, of course, and their blog, because since the 1st of September, Instagram and all the other social medias has exploded with their projects. And I'm super excited about what's coming, and I hope you will start following them and be as excited as I am. So head on over and watch my video, and I see you next time. Bye!